What tools will be needed? Before you start the shop, you should have a complete set of tools on hand. Moreover, it is highly desirable that each name be presented in 2 to 3 copies. Circular saw, drill, jigsaw, sander, plane, stapler, screwdriver, a hammer, mallet, a set of spatulas, screwdriver set. Those planning to open a furniture restoration business are also advised by experienced businessmen to stock up on a sewing machine, metal welding machine, and painting accessories. Be sure to purchase protective suits, respirators, goggles. You will need numerous consumables, glue, abrasive skins, staples. Recruitment and training of personnel. If you have sufficient experience and skill to work with furniture, you can recruit staff without experience and train newcomers on your own. Otherwise, we recommend immediately looking for experienced carpenters, furniture makers, restorers. You will also need a sales manager who will promote the company's services, communicate with customers, and maintain documentation. The accountant can also be visiting. And the duties of the cleaner will be performed by the master at the end of the work shift. Finding clients. Furniture restoration business plans usually include several promotion channels. Own site should describe the list of services, provide a price list, examples of work, contacts. Social networks. In addition to information, share entertainment content to attract a wide audience. Bulletin boards. Use free online platforms like Avita. Your clients can be not only individuals, but also buyers of antiquities, owners of exclusive furniture stores. Be sure to establish such contacts for mutual advertising, attracting customers with the opportunities of word of mouth. The business of furniture restoration has always been the lot of the elite. After all, it's not enough to have a commercial streak, you need to have impeccable taste, a flair for rare things, and outstanding seller abilities. If you are on fire with an idea and do not doubt success, go for it. And we will help you with practical advice from our experts. How to start a furniture restoration business. Furniture restoration is not just a repair of a worn-out product. You can't take, for example, a battered bookshelf and just replace the broken parts, repaint the product in a new color. Important. Save every detail, every single element, in place of the missing pick up a similar replacement. Take care of materials, be able to work with different types of wood, metal, glass elements. Choose the right liquids for processing different surfaces, trying to increase their service life. Be able to recreate the shades of old paints. From this follows the main conclusion. Considering the restoration of furniture as a business idea, the first thing to do is to find a professional restorer who is well versed in antiquity. He will become for you not just an employee, but a business consultant who will help you find suppliers of products, fabrics, accessories. The advantage of the furniture restoration business is a substantial markup. Some entrepreneurs combine this direction with the usual furniture repair. But which way to go is up to you. Documents for starting furniture restoration as a business. Be sure to register your IP. Submit to the tax office. Photocopies of TIN, passports. Application in the Form P21001. Receipt for payment of state duty. In the application, indicate the OKVED code 9524 repair of furniture and household items. Choose a simplified taxation system. You also need permits from the Fire Inspectorate, Sanitary Service. You can get them after the preparation of the repair shop. Room for repair and restoration. Look for a heated industrial space. Working in a damp building, you risk losing some of the materials. The optimal area is 50 to 80 square meters. This space is enough to accommodate several machines, store consumables, finished orders, and directly carry out work. Furniture restoration as a business, according to reviews on the forums, does not need a separate office to take orders. You can meet visitors in one of the areas of the workshop, so your customers can immerse themselves in the working atmosphere, see with their own eyes the process of restoring old rarities. Ideas to expand your old furniture restoration business. If you fear that dealing exclusively with antiques will cause the company to idle, consider expanding services and lines of business. Here are just a few possible directions. Creative design alteration of old cabinets, whatnots, chairs. Often it comes down to minor repairs and unusual painting. Restoration, banner of leather products. Buying antique products for subsequent restoration, resale. Recreating samples of furniture art from photographs, creating new copies. If there is no shortage of finances, you can grow into a full-fledged furniture factory in a short time. And if you don't have enough startup capital and experience, buy a ready-made business together with Altera Invest Brokers. We will select the most promising offer for you and help you become a successful entrepreneur.